What's going on, guys? Chinedu here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your first $100 online with affiliate marketing. If you stay to the end of this video, I have a special bonus for you to help you get started quickly to make your first $100. Now, before we start, why don't you smash the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Now, a disclaimer, there is no guarantee what I'm going to show you will make you any money. I'm only sharing what I've used. However, everybody's experience and income online is different. In affiliate marketing, it's best to find a product around which there is a strong demand and a buzz, which means you can tap into a product people are already searching for. You also want to look for a product which is part of a value ladder and multiple products, which means when people buy higher valued products, subsequently, you make more commissions. You want to add your own bonuses to increase the attraction of the product and offer. And then you need a conversion process to sell the product. In this case, we're going to use a funnel. You also need an email marketing software to capture your leads for email marketing. Then you need to run traffic to the offer. Now, the product we're going to promote is the One Funnel Away Challenge training, for which you get $100 commissions. It is a ClickFunnels training over 30 days for people to start an online business, especially if you want to use sales funnels. It's very popular and in very high demand, and it runs every 2 weeks. You can see the next challenge starts on the 2nd of November, and you have a timer down here that runs down to the next training. So, very popular product, and ClickFunnels is happy to pay you the $100 commission because most of these people doing the training will subsequently buy other products from ClickFunnels, including the software. So the company is looking at the long-term value of these leads. So they're quite happy to pay you the $100 upfront. As you scroll down this page, you'll see some more information. That's Russell Brunson, who's the CEO of ClickFunnels. And as you come down, you will find all the extra bonuses from ClickFunnels, over $3,000. So this training runs every 2 weeks, like I said, and is very popular. So this is the product you will be promoting to get $100 commissions. Next, I'm going to show you how I promote this product. I use a single page funnel, as you can see, the same color as the company website, which is quite useful when you build your landing pages because you want to make the color scheme the same so that when leads go from here to the website, it's very seamless. So you have the headings as similar to the website, and then there's a short video which you can shoot on your mobile phone to introduce people to the training and how it can help them. And then the rest of the page is similar to the website I've just shown you. And these are the bonuses from ClickFunnels. So on this page, I've then added my own bonuses to improve the offer and make it attractive for people to buy from me. So you have all these extra bonuses, including unlimited email and chat support. So there are all these bonuses. Some of them are white label products, and it also includes my affiliate marketing ebook, 8 Simple Steps to Affiliate Marketing Wealth. That's my ebook. So several bonuses, as you can see, about 10 bonuses, over $5,000. And when you combine those with the ClickFunnels bonuses, it's over $8,000. So simple one-page funnel, as you can see, similar to the website. You have these timers which you can change for each training. So you can see it's similar with the timer running down as well to the next training. Now, the way this website works is when anyone clicks to join the challenge, this pop-up comes up and they put in their email address there and then join the challenge, and it takes them to the website I've just shown you. They can also get ClickFunnels as well, 14-day free trial from this pop-up. So simple one-page funnel with a pop-up to collect email. So as you can see here, when they put in their email address here, is captured by my email marketing software, and I'll show you how that works. This is the back end of the funnel, which is built on ClickFunnels. Just to show you, it's just one page, and that's the funnel. If you click, that's how you make all your changes. If you click edit, a bit slow. So that's the funnel. That's where you make all your changes. Put your video. You can change anything easily. ClickFunnels is very easy to use, so you can change the headings if you want to. So you can change everything easily from that back end of the funnel. So I will leave a link to this funnel in the description, but that's the URL up there. So I use ActiveCampaign as my email software. So this is a simple automation which I've set up. So when the emails are captured from the landing page, they join this automation, and there are emails that go out every day for about 2 weeks. So the aim is that many people that come to your website will not buy straight away because either maybe they're not ready, or they're not sure, or they don't trust you. And then you have to build that trust through your emails, and then many of them will eventually buy from you. So you set up emails that go out every day, telling them about yourself, about other products, about the One Funnel Away Challenge training, and other things they may need for their businesses. So that's why the email marketing is very important for affiliate marketing. So this is a simple automation of emails. So once all this is set up, all you have to do is run traffic to your funnel and capture the leads, and they come into your automation. Now let's look at how you get your traffic. Now, when you start affiliate marketing, it's best to use free organic traffic. It's very expensive to use paid ads, and you run out of your budget very quickly. So start with all avenues of free traffic. You can choose one or two and promote your affiliate product with one of them. So you have Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. You can use a blog. There's Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Quora. As you know, Quora is a search engine. You can answer questions about your product. So usually you can choose either a blog or YouTube. And these days, TikTok is a very strong medium for affiliate marketing. So pick one of these. Many people use Facebook to promote their product. You can use a page on Facebook, use a profile, engage with people. And as they come to know what you're doing, they will buy from you. Also, make sure your profile on Facebook shows that you're promoting this particular product. So These are all the ways to attract traffic to your funnel. And that's what I will encourage you to use one of them when you first start. As you start making money, you can then start running paid ads. But initially, find one free organic traffic means to promote your product. So this is the simple system you can use to make $100 affiliate commissions if you're a beginner. Now, I promised you a bonus at the beginning, and I'm going to show you what this entails. So for watching this video till the end, you get all these bonuses. Now, you get my exact funnel. As you saw, you get the same funnel for your product. So you'll get my funnel for free, everything included up except some of the bonuses, but you can have all the white labeled products as part of your bonus stack. You will also get a script to help you shoot your video on that page. You will also get all the emails I'm using. So you have all the email sequences. So you're going to get all this for free, and I'll show you how. So this is the website address to get all my bonuses. I'll leave a link in the description as well. So if you follow this link, and I'll show you what is on that page. So this is the first page you will come to, and it says 100% free tools, templates, and scripts. Clone my $100 commission affiliate marketing program. So that's the first page you will come to, and that's my photograph down there. And you're going to click get instant access to the tools. That brings up this pop-up where you put in your name and email address, and then you click on that. And you'll come to this second page that again shows the same headings. That's a video of myself explaining what you're going to get. Now, the first thing is to join the One Funnel Away Challenge training. As an affiliate, it's good practice to promote a product you know very well and something you've used. That way you can guide people doing it. You can help them if they need your help during the training. But if you promote something you've not done yourself, it's much more difficult and not good practice. So the first step is to join the One Funnel Away Challenge training yourself. And then you need to apply to the ClickFunnels affiliate program so you can promote the One Funnel Away Challenge training. So all these are links you can follow, very easy to use. And then you need a ClickFunnels account because the funnel to promote the One Funnel Away Challenge training is a ClickFunnels based funnel, and therefore you need a ClickFunnels account to download the funnel. And then you import your funnel into your account. And then down here, you get the script for your bridge page video. So it's a Google document. You click on that and you get that to shoot your video. And then here is the email sequence I showed you in ActiveCampaign. If you use ActiveCampaign, it's quite easy. If you just click on that, the whole automation will download into your account. If you don't use ActiveCampaign, then you can just copy and paste the email sequences. All you need to do is obviously change the affiliate links in the emails. Some of the emails also have my story, so you need to change those emails into your own to describe what you're doing and also give your own story on those emails. So, but it's very easy. The template is all there. You just need to switch things and it's ready to go. And then the last training there is the affiliate bootcamp. It's a free training for ClickFunnels affiliates. It's free, and I will encourage you to take that training. So it's very easy when you come to this page. You have everything you need to get going, promoting the One Funnel Away Challenge training and making $100 commissions. If you need any help at any time, feel free to either leave comments on this video or you can contact me. There's an email at the front of this video to contact me. So I'm happy to answer any questions, any queries, or to help you as you go through the training yourself. Feel very free to contact me. So that is the page once again to get your bonuses. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it does help you to start making $100 commissions with affiliate marketing. And if this video has been helpful, make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel. Also bang on that bell to get notified each time I release a new video. Once again, thank you and peace.